The ice in Montreal is quiet. Too quiet. The off-season has unfolded with a deliberate, almost unnerving calm for Canadiens. While other franchises have made splashes, signed marquee free agents, or orchestrated blockbuster trades, the Habs have largely remained on the sidelines, observing, calculating. But beneath this veneer of inactivity, the gears of strategic planning are grinding, and a subtle yet crucial opportunity is emerging on the horizon. This isn't about a superstar acquisition. It's about surgical precision, about fortifying the foundations of a burgeoning contender. The current roster, a meticulously assembled mosaic of burgeoning talent and seasoned grit, has a clear, undeniable need. A right-shot defenseman, not a top-pairing anchor, not a franchise cornerstone, but a reliable, steady presence who can inject depth, stability, and a crucial element of balance to the blue line. And in the vast, churning waters of the NHL, a name has surfaced that perfectly fits this understated, yet vital requirement: Nick Perbix. From the Nashville Predators, Perbix represents a strategic acquisition, a piece that could seamlessly integrate into the Canadiens' defensive core without disrupting the delicate ecosystem of development and chemistry. This isn't a flashy move designed for headlines. It's a shrewd, calculated maneuver by a general manager who understands that championships are built not just on star power, but on robust, dependable depth. Imagine Perbix in a Canadiens uniform, a towering presence at 6'4". He brings the kind of physical stature that commands respect in the defensive zone. His right shot orientation is a critical asset, providing balance and natural puck retrieval on the right side, an often overlooked detail that can significantly impact breakout efficiency and offensive zone entries. He's a player who could slot directly into the bottom pairing, providing a steady hand and a calming influence, allowing the younger, more offensive-minded defensemen to play with greater freedom and confidence. But his value extends beyond just a regular slot in the lineup. The NHL season is a grueling marathon, a relentless test of endurance and resilience. Injuries are not a possibility. They are an inevitability. When inevitable happens, when a top four defenseman goes down, having a player like Perbix in the wings is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. He provides that crucial insurance policy, a reliable option who can step up, absorb minutes, and maintain the team's defensive integrity without a significant drop-off in performance. This is a kind of foresight that separates contenders from pretenders. And the financial implications? They are almost too good to be true. Perbix carries an incredibly affordable cap hit of $2.75 million, a figure that remains on the books until the end of the 2026-27 season. In an era of tight cap management and escalating player salaries, this kind of value is gold. It means the Canadiens can acquire a proven, reliable defenseman without sacrificing future flexibility, without tying up significant cap space that might be needed for their own burgeoning stars. This is a low-risk, high-reward proposition, a move that aligns perfectly with the Canadiens' long-term strategic vision. Let's look at the numbers, because while Perbix isn't a Norris Trophy candidate, his production is quietly effective. Last season, in 79 games for Predators, he tallied 3 goals and 13 points. These aren't eye-popping offensive totals, but they represent a consistent contribution from the back end. More importantly, he registered 95 blocks, a testament to his willingness to sacrifice his body to play a hard defensive game. This is the kind of commitment that resonates in Montreal. Furthermore, his offensive contributions are not to be dismissed. In each of his 3 previous seasons with the Tampa Bay Lightning, he recorded at least 19 points. This includes a career-high 24 points in 77 games during the 2023-24 season. This demonstrates that he possesses a potential to chip in offensively, to provide a little bit of offense from the point, to make smart passes, and to contribute to the cycle game. He's not just a stay-at-home defenseman. He's a well-rounded blueliner who understands the modern game. The beauty of a potential Perbix acquisition lies in simplicity and its strategic elegance. The Canadiens are not looking to give up a king's ransom. They are not in the market for a player who will command multiple first-round picks or a top prospect. They are looking for a solid, dependable blueliner who can improve their depth, provide stability, and offer a crucial insurance policy. Perbix fits this mold perfectly. He is a player who can be acquired without dismantling the future, without sacrificing the core, without derailing the carefully constructed rebuild. This is the kind of move that often goes unnoticed by the casual fan, but it's the kind of move that general managers obsess over. It's the kind of move that wins championships. It's about building a complete team, a team that can withstand the rigors of an 82-game season and the intensity of a playoff run. It's about having the right pieces in the right places at the right price. The Canadiens are at a pivotal moment. The young core is maturing, expectations are rising, and the window of contention is beginning to open. To truly capitalize on this opportunity, they need to surround their burgeoning stars with reliable, experienced players who understand their roles and can execute consistently. Perbix is precisely that kind of player. He brings a quiet professionalism, a steady hand, and a physical presence that would immediately bolster the Canadiens' defensive unit. This isn't about making a splash. It's about making a statement. A statement that the Canadiens are serious about building a sustainable winner, a team that is deep, resilient, and prepared for any challenge. It's about recognizing that sometimes the most impactful additions are not the ones that grab the headlines, but the ones that quietly, efficiently, and affordably fill a critical need. So, Canadiens Nation, as we look ahead to the upcoming season, what do you make of this potential strategic acquisition? Do you agree that a right-shot defenseman of Nick Perbix's caliber and affordability is precisely what the Canadiens need to solidify their blue line depth? Or do you believe the team should be pursuing bigger names, making more aggressive moves, even if it means sacrificing future assets? Is this the kind of smart, calculated move that truly builds contender, or is it too conservative for a team on the cusp of greatness? The debate around roster construction is eternal, and every piece matters. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay on top of every strategic play, every shrewd maneuver, and every calculated risk that shapes the future of our beloved Montreal Canadiens, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Because in the relentless pursuit of the Stanley Cup, every detail, no matter how small, can make all the difference.